The 2001 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, child-proof rear door locks, CD player, bucket seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, rear AC, traction control system, tilt steering wheel, power seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.